All right, can you do a video like in 30 to 60 seconds that will get people interested or at least maybe click your link to your Power Line landing page to Save Club? Okay, and if you have no idea what I'm talking about, let me just show you what I do. Okay, so I've been talking 20 seconds. All right, so once I start, let's just see like in 30 seconds, can I say something on a video, all right, that might get you interested to click something, okay? All right, so guys, here it goes. Let's just say I hit record right now. All right, guys, what's going on? Hey, I appreciate you watching my videos, but right now I want you to just click a link and I want you to watch a short video. Okay, it's going to help you save money on things you're already buying and things you might be buying in the future, like vacations, Disney World, Disneyland. You like to eat? You like to? All right, there's even a ton of things that you can put in your mouth and munch. All right, but anyway, I want you to watch a video that'll explain everything. I love saveclub.com. Okay, I love saveclub.com. Please click that link, all right, and get back to me and let me know what you think. Okay, guys, thanks for your time. Take it easy. Bye. Okay, guys, most videos, they're designed to be 60 seconds or less, 30 seconds or less. If you're going to do like, let's say like a TikTok or an Instagram, or even maybe a live thing on Facebook or whatnot. But you can do it. All right. Just invite people, write a script in front of you and just write out exactly what you're going to say. And all of a sudden you're going to start just talking about it, saying it without even post-it notes. Okay. But you can do video. Don't be shy. Okay. Just practice. You don't have to upload to YouTube or do it live. Okay. Just record it and record it. Delete, record, hate. Delete, record, hate your hair. Delete, record, hate your voice. And then all of a sudden you're just sick and tired of the hate and you're going to start digging it and having fun. Okay. So guys, just take that example, 30, 40 seconds. You can do it. Okay. All right, guys, have a good one. And like I said, this is all I do all day. I love saveclub.com. I just invite people to a link. It goes to my capture page, which you're looking at now. Watch that YouTube video, fill this little section out to the right of me, and you're all good. Okay, I'm going to send you a nice email. And Save Club will too. And if you want to join, just follow the email, okay? So watch this video to the left. Fill out this little doodad thing on the right and hit that orange button right below me right here, okay, guys? And that's it. Okay, have a good one. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you need me, there's my email, Cory@CoryDraper.com. All right, guys, have a good day. We'll talk to you guys soon.